Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change username on Spotify. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. Well guys, actually, your username is designed to identify you on Spotify, so you cannot change it. But don't worry, there are a display name. A display name replaces the username where it shows on your profile, app, and playlist. So the first step, you have to go to your Spotify apps, of course. In Spotify homepage, you have to tap the gear icon, that means settings. After that, you have to tap on View Profile at the first option at the settings page. Then tap on Edit Profile. Well, in this page, you just have to tap your display name and erase it to change it. Here, I'm gonna change my name by Arya Teach. And if you're done, go ahead to save. Is in the top right in the corner of your screen. And your display name on Spotify is already changed. So yeah guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.